Here's how to present information in a vertical list. We'll cover the creation of horizontal lists in the next video in this instructional series. Draw a Figma frame or use an existing one. This will be the main screen. Next, set the background color and add some images. Now, draw another frame inside the first frame. This will become a list view field where items will be displayed as a scrollable list. It's important to make sure that the frame is entirely within the screen frame. Otherwise, the plugin can't recognize it as a list view field. Once you've done this, it's time to create some items. For demonstration purposes, I'm using random rectangles with text and a few different background colors. Now, it's time to create the components of your items and set the list name. From the top bar, select Plugins, Figma2Flutter. You'll note that in this video, the path is Plugins Development Figma2Flutter because I'm recording with a beta version of Plugins. When you create a real project, you'll use the shorter path. Here, I'm just going to use a keyboard shortcut to open the last plugin. Next, select the newly created component, and from the plugin menu, press the Combine Selected Components as States button. From the drop-down menu, select List or Grid Item. Put our list items inside the list view field. Make sure it is exactly under the list view field, otherwise the plugin can't read it as a scrollable list. Also, make sure that your list view frame is annotated as List View in the plugin menu. From the plugin menu, press the blue Export as Flutter Project button. Your web browser should automatically open with the Figma tab. Press the Allow Access button to let the plugin generate code. Now you can download the code, or you can choose to leave it as is if you're making changes within an existing project. Open and download a project named Archive in your Flutter environment. I'm using Visual Studio Code for this demonstration. In the Flutter console, run the flutter pub-get command to download all of the dependencies required to run the project. Note that you only need to use this command once when running your project for the first time. If you're editing an existing project, just run the flutter packages upgrade command. Wait until the dependencies are updated. Run the flutter run command to start your project. Wait until your project appears. The open code should be exactly the same as your Figma design. Try to scroll items up or down and see how it works.